morning and welcome to day 2 here at Marwell Resort. It is Tuesday, August the 2nd. I've just woken up, I've gone for a little walk around. And we are today heading to Marwell Zoo. So we're going to pack up, have some breakfast and head that way. The campsite's okay, it's a little bit dated I think. But there's loads to do here. There's a crazy golf, there's adventure trails, there's a soft play, there's a bar. Loads and loads to do if you've got a family, so worth visiting I think. It's just the facilities are a little bit older than we're used to, but still adequate enough I think. But enough about that, let's head off and have some breakfast and go for a walk around the site as well maybe. Morning, darling.
Morning.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Did you sleep okay?
Yeah, apart from being cold.
I didn't have the heater on last night. Hey, morning. I'm here back at the camper van. We're about to do some breakfast. We're going to make a cup of tea. Beautiful morning, as I've said. You can see the pictures and the views out here. Lovely blue sky, so time for some tea, and before we pack up, which will happen probably in about 8 o'clock, because today we are heading to Marwell Zoo and we need to be in at 10, so we've got 2 hours to get breakfast, to get packed up. Sorry, there's a hair. I'm going mad. Breakfast, have to get packed up and head to Marwell Zoo, which is just down the road, 2 minutes away. So if you are visiting Marwell Zoo and you want somewhere to camp, this is a really good place because it is about less than a mile away, so recommend it for that, definitely. So the one thing that I probably have mentioned already is there's a lot of flies here. We've had the door open for 5 minutes. And we've got one joined us already. So we had to chase them out last night before we went to bed, or before we sort of sealed the camper van. So not sure why. We're not really by water, there's no bins near us. Don't know. That's going to take a while to dry out. Testing, testing. Are we both in? Look at the camera, my darling.
Hello. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Blah. So I'll stay here at Marwell Resort. Has come to an end.
Did you not say good morning first? Good morning.
Oh yeah, I've done all that.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, you were sleeping still.
Oh, I haven't said morning.
You have? You said it in bed?
Oh, right. Okay. Oh, yeah. It's 9:51 and we are just about to leave to go around to Marwell Zoo, which is just...
It's only a mile away, I think, isn't it?
He's right.
It's all right here. It's not
right.
too bad. The facilities are a little bit dated and not that clean, but it is quite wet.
The thing is,
and muddy.
because there's no hard standing pictures, it's all grass pictures,
Yeah,
and where
true.
it's just been raining all the time, or the last few days, you go into the toilets and the shower blocks and it's just mud and grass everywhere.
But there's loads to do here if you've got kids, definitely, because you've got the, like I said before, the golf, the soft play, there's a play park. Sorry, I've been telling him to give up smoking for years, but he won't.
It's a real family atmosphere, isn't it?
Yeah,
like there's goalposts throughout the campsite.
Two or three.
It's goalposts, not pole at once.
So kids are all playing football together. Big play park. The pub was nice.
Pub was good, yeah. We didn't get to go inside or eat because it was fully booked, but we bought food anyway. But that's it. So it's good.
And everything went quiet after like.
It did. It wasn't very noisy.
It wasn't noisy at all.
No, it was all good. It was all good. And I think
Yeah,
that.
it was noisy. I love noisy stuff. I love it.
Yeah, you would because you're 7. Okay, so we're off to the zoo now. So we shall
catch you later.
Car starts. Let's plug
Catch
in
you later.
my music because we've got to have a bit of music as we're driving. And we shall see you
At the zoo.
Yes,
soon.
Sunday scored in the League Cup.
Max is watching old videos.
Versus
See you there.
City. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, bloke.
Here we are at Marwell Zoo and welcome to the queue. And we're here! Yee-hee, let's go see some animals.
Steady.
What's a monkey's favourite food?
Banana.
Banana.
A gorilla cheese sandwich.
Yeah.
Sorry. Welcome to Marwell Zoo, we've arrived. So we are here in Marwell Zoo and we've just had to mask up to come through reception, but now we don't need to wear masks, which is quite good. And we're going to have a wander around, show you some animals. I'll put a map up so you can see roughly where we're going, and we'll just show you what we see basically. So let's go for a walk and look at some animals.
Oh, yeah, that's so good.
Yeah, possibly. So we've sat down to get a drink. What do you think of it so far, Max? He's making the sounds like the animals he's seen, I think.
Good.
What animals have we seen so far?
Giraffe.
Come on, look at the camera. What have we seen so far?
A giraffe, a meerkat.
A giraffe, a meerkat. What else?
Well, 200 giraffes.
We saw a rhino, didn't we?
About 200 rhinos.
We saw a lot of rhinos.
We saw
zebras,
Jay, my
penguins.
friend.
We saw your friend from school, which is really weird.
Okay.
And what else? We saw a leopard asleep.
Oh yeah, we saw a leopard asleep. The bloke here was right.
Hello.
How are you finding it?
Good.
Liking it?
Yeah, very nice.
So we walked about halfway around, I think. We've been here for 2 and a bit hours, but we've been stopped for about 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Where we had a snack.
I think Max was getting a bit tired, wasn't he?
He is.
Walking.
Yeah, so but all of a sudden he's found loads of energy because he is in the play park.
Yeah. There he is.
At the top there, which you probably can't see on this camera.
See, he doesn't mind climbing, things like that, but to go on
No,
that little seesaw thing
we did yesterday.
yesterday,
It's weird.
he's really scared.
It was really weird, wasn't it? Anyway.
But yeah, we've seen most of the animals. The only one
Yep.
we didn't see was the leopard because it was hiding, wasn't it?
He was sort of like lying down. Hi.
But we've still got more things
We've got loads
to
more to see. So
see.
we're about halfway round. We're here on the map.
I'm not going to go in the reptile house. 'cause I
No,
don't want
well,
to
it's a
see
cold-blooded house. We're not sure what's in there. There might not be any snakes in there. There might just be all turtles and frogs and stuff, but we're halfway round. This is, I'll show on the map here, this is the bit, this is where we've walked, and we've been going 2 hours, and this is the way that we are going to walk to the end, to the exit again, and we have to be out by 3:30?
Yeah, about that.
Well, I think we were allowed to stay until 4, but we have to be out earlier than that because we've got to take back something, but
Yeah.
it's good. We'll carry on. It was just this, and the Cold Bloody Corner is the only place where we had to wait to get in anywhere, so not too bad really. Because it's tropical, so we are now in the tropical house. It's very warm and my camera is steaming up, but this one hopefully is okay. Wait for the anonymous. And there were of course lots of other animals to see as well, not just the ones that I've highlighted, so plenty to see and do here. So we have done a full circle of Marwell Zoo. You alright guys? Good? I'm not surprised. Come on mate, we've only got... Let's go and look in the gift shop. So that's our last stop now, is the gift shop before we head back to the car. So we'll have a quick look around there. We'll show you a quick clip of that and one more chat I think before we leave.
Gift shop and then you can get me.
Oh my gosh. Really? Why does everyone want to go to the gift shop?
Max, take your jumper off, darling.
So you saw the queue for the gift shop there, it was just crazy, and for some reason they were letting like clusters of people out but nobody in. So we gave up. We are gonna go to the gift shop at Longleat instead. But now we are heading back to the car. Oh, it's hot now, 22 degrees, right. That was good, wasn't it?
Very good.
Tiring, we walked around the whole of the Marwell Zoo. We gave up on the gift shop because...
The queue.
You saw the queue, it was crazy, and he was letting loads of people out
And
and no people in. So, we gave up on that.
Yeah, that man should be sacked.
Because Max got swimming in just over an
We
hour.
didn't have time to wait, so if you've made it this far, thank you for watching. Goodbye from Max. Goodbye from Mummy.
Goodbye.
And goodbye from me. See you next time.
Bye.
Like and subscribe.